2025 Friday. О, заяц.
Да, вот это.
We're at the beginning of our way to the Lost Valley, and you can see already what is going on here. And I hope he can make it through. I guess he did. Okay, time for me to jump in. We finally arrived to our destination, the Lost Valley. Now it's almost 7 p.m., 7 in the evening, so we are not going to do anything significant except to set up a camp and set the fireplace, fix the fireplace, and maybe we will install my trail camera down to the valley tonight. Maybe not, I don't know. It's 7 and it will be dark at 10, so we shall see. For now we have to decide where to park. I will be sleeping in my tent, a friend of mine will be sleeping in his car, and we have a lot of things to do here, so I guess I'll see you later. The beginning of the Lost Valley, what I called. Tonight or tomorrow, maybe tonight, we step into the Lost Valley and find a spot to install the trail camera, which will be sitting on a tree somewhere till October, I hope, taking pictures and videos of everything passing by in the radius of, I believe, 20 meters, something like that. Nevertheless, it wasn't easy drive to come here, especially for his vehicle, but we managed to do it. But few times, maybe 3 times, we have to step outside, do some work, covering the ditches with the rocks and the wood, and just to be able to pass it through. And in a couple of hours, maybe less, we finally arrived to our destination, the entrance to the Lost Valley, what I call. I put my tent already, a friend of mine will be sleeping in his cart, table is out, chairs are out, fire is burning, best out of the best. And look at this view. And a friend of mine, I guess, he will be looking towards that mountain. And this is my temporary home for 48 hours, 50 hours, 2 nights. I'll be sleeping here. Let's see what we have inside. Amazing, I love it. That's like a paradise. at least for me. Yeah, look at that view behind me. And driving here, we already spotted multiple droppings of the grizzly bears. Multiple. So it's real wilderness, no BS. Fire is burning, water is running. Paradise. Now I'm hungry. We need to eat something, and then hopefully tonight we go to the valley and find a spot to install my camera, which will be sitting here until October. And the buddy of mine, what is he doing? He is looking through the very powerful binocular to the top of that mountain. We are going to install trail camera somewhere in the Lost Valley. Now it's probably, yeah, not probably, it's 9 o'clock in the evening. And we leave in camp behind. What's that sound? Airplane, maybe. Look at that mountain. Yeah, what time is it? Just a sec. 9:13. Wow. Smells nice. Honey. Which means grizzly love it too. Oh, look. Speaking about grizzlies. Welcome to our world. Anyway, we're going that way. I need to concentrate, and that's it. See you later. Ха.
Ноги ломать надо, да?
On the right. No. On the right. You go to the right. It says stop right here. I've done it before. Multiple times. I think I've done it here. Yeah, it's here. No problem. No problem. I see deer steps. It's okay. And that way. Ho. Almost there, almost there. Oops. Wow. We're just at the entrance of the Lost Valley. Whew. I guess we have to walk maybe 1 kilometer to install camera somewhere. Something like that. I'll see you guys later. We found temporary spot for trail camera and we left it there somewhere. Anyway, tomorrow we will come and look if we set it up properly. If not, I have to figure it out tomorrow, because after we leave it will be sitting here till October. So what time is it? 10 to 10 in the evening. In 30 minutes it will be dark. See you at the tea table. Well, gentlemen, the time is, you can see it, it's 11 p.m. 23:02, and we're having nice dinner. Baked potatoes with the bread, sour cream, butter, natural tea, honey, candle is burning, and saying all of that, we cannot see much around. Let me change the light position, maybe like this. No, that's the light. That's the spirit. Wait. Yeah. Look. That's the scary forest with Sasquatch. $7,000 lumens. Wow. That's the light. What about that direction? Wow. No, that's too far. And the fire. Anyway, back to dinner.